Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to make your Power BI reports not just informative but truly engaging, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create fun, interactive infographics using Power BI's Infographics Designer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn basic sales figures into dynamic dashboards that really tell a story, perfect for presentations, team updates, or just impressing your boss. Let's dive straight in. To start, picture a simple sales dataset broken down by category: electronics, furniture, clothing, groceries, and toys. Each category has its sales number, maybe electronics racked up 55,000, furniture 32,000, and so on. These numbers are useful, but as you'll see, with just a few clicks, we can make them visually pop so people instantly grasp both the scale and meaning. First, we need to get the Infographics Designer into Power BI. So open up Power BI Desktop and look over at the Visualizations pane on the right side. There's a small ellipsis icon marked by 3 dots, Get More Visuals. Don't be afraid to explore here because Microsoft and the community have created tons of add-ons. Type Infographic Designer in the search box, and it should pop up as an option from Microsoft itself. The icon is easy to spot. It looks like a bar chart but with images in the bars. Once you found it, hit Add and it'll appear in your visual tools. Sometimes the install takes a moment, so don't worry if it seems to pause, just let it finish. Now let's create your very first infographic. Back on your report canvas, select the new Infographic Designer visual. It's time to feed it some data. Drag your category field onto the category axis area and drag sales into the value box. Instantly, you get a straightforward column chart. It may look basic at first, but we're about to level it up. Here comes the magic. Click the little pencil or edit icon on the infographic visual. The designer opens up, revealing tons of customization possibilities. You're no longer stuck with plain bars. Instead, you can replace each bar with custom shapes or icons that make the data relatable. For example, maybe you swap in a little shopping cart for groceries, a t-shirt for clothing, or a phone for electronics. You can even fill the shape itself with smaller repeated icons. So if electronics had 55,000 in sales, you might show 55 phone icons stacked up, instantly illustrating scale in a way that numbers alone just can't. Play around in this editor, it's flexible. Try adding fills, unique images, repeating icons, just about anything that makes your sales data clear and memorable. If you're new to visual storytelling, don't worry if your first attempt feels a bit experimental. The designer's all about seeing what works for your audience. To really make this dashboard presentation ready, consider combining the Infographic Designer with other visuals on your report canvas. Maybe add a card visual summarizing total sales or a line chart showing sales trends by month. Set the Infographics Designer to display sales by category, decorated with icons. This way, your dashboard is not only informative but visually rich and ideal for sharing. Imagine showing your team that electronics equals 55 phone icons, furniture 32 chairs, clothing 22 t-shirts, groceries 42 carts, and toys 18 teddy bears. It's much more engaging than a bland bar chart. Suddenly, your data isn't just numbers, it's a visual story that's easy to understand at a glance. And that's it. Making infographics in Power BI is honestly super approachable and incredibly rewarding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical Power BI tips and dashboard design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.